Hello everyone, my name is Ben Moon and welcome to my channel. I realized just recently on my YouTube channel that the subscribe button was missing. So most of us who have this problem, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore back your subscribe button if it is missing, because it was really a problem. I was thinking to myself, so how am I going to get subscribers to my channel if this button is not showing on my YouTube channel? So this is what I did, and this is how you can solve that problem. So you go open your YouTube channel. So log on to YouTube and open your channel. So on your profile, click on your channel. So while on your channel, scroll down to where you have Creator Studio. Click on Creator Studio. Okay, so when this opens, scroll down to where you have Send Feedback. So you click on Send Feedback, and a dialog box is going to open for you. Alright, so this dialog box, as you can see, send feedback to Google. So you're going to type what the problem is, send it to their support, and they will send you a feedback. So I'm going to type here, hi, please, I noticed that my subscribe button on my YouTube channel is missing. Please kindly restore it back. Thank you very much. Alright, so when you're done with that, take a screenshot of your page. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this page. If the page is found in other tabs, you go to the next tab where the page is. If your page is here, for instance, my page is, this is my page now, or maybe there is another window that your page is found, but in this case my page is here. So let me go to my page here. This is my page, so I'll do a screenshot of that. I'm going to share this page to them. Okay, so this page is going to be attached. Alright, you can see that page has been screen grabbed and attached to this. So ensure to tick this box so that you can receive an email from them. And then when you are done, you click on send. And your request is going to be sent. So what you need to do is just wait patiently, and they are going to respond via email. As you can see, report has been sent. So you will just wait patiently for the feedback, and that issue will be resolved. So that's how to solve that problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.